Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the easy zoom tutorial on CapCut. So first, import your clips, then go to video effects and go to basic, scroll down until you find the mini zoom effect. Okay, this one, select the effect, then adjust it like this. Set the speed into 40 and then the range into 5. Okay, but you can always adjust it as you like, but I'll go like this, and after that just click on the check icon and then you are done. So here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.